The kerf plate attaches to your miter saw's base. The blade passes through it as you make a cut. The plate is made of plastic and is replaceable. The blade can cut into the kerf plate during some cuts, or if a kickback occurs. The plate can be broken by a kickback, or if something falls on it. Replacing the kerf plate is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. I'll begin by removing the old kerf plate from the saw. The kerf plate is secured with 6 screws. With the screws removed, now I can remove the kerf plate. Now I'll install the new kerf plate. I'll slide it beneath the fence and align it with the holes on the base. And now I'll secure it with the screws.